This tiny cabin home on wheels embodies a Japanese-style spatial design approach that skillfully balances functionality with refined aesthetic. Every detail in its compact layout is thoughtfully considered not only to maximize efficiency but also to evoke a calm and visually harmonious atmosphere. At the heart of the design is strategic and intelligent placement of built-in cabinets. The storage elements are seamlessly integrated into the architecture, offering ample space for essential while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. The cabinets are tucked into raised platform, tucked under seating, or vertically arranged to draw the eye upward, emphasizing the efficient use of vertical space, a hallmark of Japanese interior. What sets this tiny cabin apart is its visual treatment of the front room wall. Vertical strip elements reminiscent of traditional wooden slats or shoji patterns create a rhythmic sense of order and elongated the room's appearance. The lines not only serve a decorative purpose but also guide the spatial flow, making the area feel more expansive and grounded at once. Complementing the vertical strips are circular lines elements delicately placed as wall decoration. These soft rounded accents introduce a subtle contrast, evoking the Japanese concept of enso, the circle symbolizing enlightenment, simplicity, and completeness. Together, the interplay of straight and curved lines fosters a serene balance between structure and fluidity. This composition of form and function allows the tiny cabin home to transcend the limitation of its size. It becomes more than just a mobile living space, it transforms into a thoughtfully curated environment where practical meets beauty. The result of its compact yet visually comfortable interior that reflects both the efficiency and the quiet elegance of Japanese design.